Hello everyone, and meet the powerful 6-inch cordless mini chainsaw designed for your yard work needs. This featherweight tool weighs only 2.5 pounds for easy use in very small spaces. Its high-speed chain cuts through 5-inch thick branches like butter in just 5 seconds flat. You get 2 large capacity batteries, providing up to 70 minutes of continuous cutting time per charge. Built-in safety switches and a 90-degree splash guard keep you protected during every garden project. Every kit includes a durable carrying case, plus protective gloves and goggles for a complete professional experience. This versatile machine is the perfect gift for any gardener or DIY lover looking to save time. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.